Hi guys, welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. In this video, I'll share with you guys how you can add price range slider on collection page of Shopify. So once you implement that, that's how it's going to look like. By default, it comes with the layout like this, where you have price showing up like this, and you have to manually add in the amount to filter the collection page. But after following this tutorial, you will have a range slider where it's completely customizable. You can change the colors, you can change the font size, and there are multiple settings which are available. So let me first show you the complete settings. I'm going to go to the backend, and I've added this in the latest Horizon version. So I'm going to open the backend of my store. Click on Edit Theme to open the Theme Customizer. And let's go to the collection page. So you can see the price range slider on the collection page. Now, if I click on this gear icon in theme settings, you can see that we have the settings showing up here where I can change the colors. So let's say if I want to change the color for thumb filters, you can see that it's working here, right? And now if I change the border colors, which you see as white, to be black, you can see now it's changed to black. And here we have the price text size. If you want to change the price text size, and there are some other color features as well. And you can also change the label here where you see price. You can change it to whatever you want. Right? So these are the settings for this price filter. And I'm going to show you guys how you can add this on your Horizon theme very easily without using any app. You don't need to use any app for that. It's completely customizable and completely free to use. All you have to do is just click on the link in the description and follow this tutorial, which I have in the description. And we will be following step by step. So let's go on to the first step. I'm going to install a fresh Horizon theme first. So let's go to exit this. I'm going to leave the page, install the fresh Horizon theme. So let's scroll down to the bottom, click on add and add the fresh Horizon theme. Okay, it's being installed, and while it is being installed, if you are new to Shopify, there is a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your store for just $1 a month if you are new to Shopify. So make sure to use that link and sign up to a new Shopify account. Also, we have created a lot of free sections which are available in GitHub and in the YouTube playlist. So make sure to do check out those. On top of that, we have an app called Big Bulk Discount, which will help you get more sales by implementing tier discount feature on your Shopify store, which is currently not yet available in Shopify. So make sure to check those resources as well. Okay, our Horizon theme has been added. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again to test it with it. Perfect. Our latest version of Horizon theme is now published. I'm going to close these folder tabs here, click on these three small dots and open up the preview. So let's open up the preview. And here I'm going to click on all products collection. So that's how it looks by default, where that's how the price filter is, where you have to manually add in the amount, right? Now let's follow this tutorial with the step-by-step instruction. The first step is to go to snippet folder in the theme code editor and add this code, right? So I'm going to go to my theme, click on these three small dots and then click on edit code. Before making any code changes, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme. In case anything is messed up, please don't blame me and let me know in the comments below. I can improve. Okay, so click on edit code, which will open up the code editor like this. And here we will add a new snippet. So click on this arrow here, this one, right? And click on this plus sign after that. And now create file called custom-price-filter. That's what we are adding, .liquid. So that's the file which we need to create. Hit enter. And once your file is created, go to this article and copy all of the code present. Again, click on the link description. It's completely free to use. There's no sign up. There's no fees for that. Just follow the instructions within the article. Okay, so let's click on copy code and paste this code here. After pasting the code, hit save. And you will see this here that it is saved. Right? Now let's go to second step, which is making some changes in settings_schema.json file. So we will go back to our code editor, search for settings_schema. That's the file, hit enter. Once you open that file, you will need to add the code after this comma here. Right? Hit enter and go back to the article. All of the instructions are written as well with the screenshots. And here's the code which we will be adding. So click on copy code, go back to the code editor, paste the code and hit save. Perfect. Let's move on to the next step. Once you see that the file is saved. By the way, this is the feature which our client requested us. We are an official Shopify partner and we are working on one of the projects where they have like around 2000 SKUs and there's a lot of custom functionality requirement on that project as well. And this was one of the requirements from the customer. So we thought to create this tutorial completely free for you guys. Okay, now the third step is to render the filter in filter.liquid file. So we will open up the filter.liquid file. Let's open up the filter.liquid. Here is the filter.liquid. And in here, we will search for this code. So just search for price-filter. Here's the code. And where this code is ending, you see here, this liquid is ending. I'm going to hit enter to add the line break and then copy the code which is available here. So click on this copy code and paste the code here. Once done, click save and then move on to the next step. Now we will cut this code and paste right below this code which we added here, right? So let's search for this code first. So that's the code. We will cut this. So you can cut it like this and then search for the custom price filter which we added on line number 185. Hit enter and then paste this code. Once done, click save. And now there's just one last step which we need to add in order to make it work, which is adding some CSS code in base.css file. So open up the base.css file, scroll down to the bottom and add some code which is available in the article. That's the code. Click on copy code, go back to base.css, paste the code and hit save. Perfect. Once done, we will go to our theme customizer. And for that, click on this icon here and click on customize theme, which will open up our theme customizer. Great. Now we will go to our collection page by clicking on this drop down and then clicking on this default collection. Now here you're seeing these filters. Click on this filter and sorting and make it vertical. Once done, you can see that your price filter is showing up. I'm going to click save, go back to the store and then hit refresh on this collection page here. And here you go. We can see that our price filter is working fine. I've already shown you the customized settings where you can make the color changes or whatever changes you want to make in here. Perfect. That's it for this tutorial, guys. Let me know in the comments below what more you would like to learn, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next video, have a great day.